Hello, this is Nas Babar again. Today my topic is basically an extension of CIDR, classless interdomain routing. I did part 1, part 2, and this is basically part 3. All we're going to do in this case is we're going to just go over some examples which will hopefully clarify the use of subnet mask, how do we tweak it, and try to get more number of hosts or more number of networks and so forth. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have this first example right here. For example, we have 152.60.100.0. As you can see, 152 falls into class B. Now, if you need help in understanding IP addressing, binary numbers, and how we come up with masks, please go back and check my other videos. You'll find some useful information, I promise you. But anyway, in this particular case, we see that this is a class B address. So the default subnet mask is /16. Basically, if you look at right here, I have 255.255.0.0. So we can also write this down as class /16. So basically this is it, 255.255.0.0. Okay, so now let's say we have a router 1, R1, and we have an R2. Okay, and let's say this is in New York and this is in Los Angeles. There is a circuit. It could be a T1, it could be whatever OC3 or whatever the circuit might be. So now basically what we need to do is, our network design architect says that, hey, you've got this subnet and I don't need that many number of hosts, because I just need 2 hosts dissected from this right here, so that I can assign one IP right here and one IP right here, and rest of the subnet can be used anywhere else. So that's CIDR, classless interdomain routing. You're basically manipulating zeros and ones to get what you need. So let's go ahead and get started. So idea is, right now this is /16. I want to make it /30. When I do that, it's going to give me only 2 usable hosts. Let's see how that is done real quick. So 152, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm writing down the default class mask of class B, which is this right here, in form of binary. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, traditionally, in case of class full, in class B, I'm getting 2 raised to power 16 minus 2 hosts, and I'm getting 2 raised to power 14 networks. I don't need that many hosts. This is a whole lot of hosts being wasted. I just need 2 IPs, usable IPs, so I can assign here and assign here, and they're in the same subnet mask. So let's go ahead and see how that is done. So basically, if I need only 2 hosts, so in that case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to make this also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, the last octet, I am going to steal zeros and make them 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 stays 0. Okay, so basically this is what I've done. Class full, class less. So if you go down, this will be 255. The subnet mask 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to make this also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and from here, the last octet, I am going to steal zeros and make them 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 stays 0. Okay, so basically this is what I've done. Class full, class less. So if you go down, this will be 255. The subnet mask will change now. 255, 255. What will be this bit? Okay, so how many ones I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 128 plus 64, which is 192, plus 32, which is 224, and then plus 16, 240, 248, 252. Bingo, that's what I wanted. 252. Okay, 252. So now let's do the math. Number of hosts. How many zeros do I have in the new subnet mask? 2. So 2 raised to power 2 minus 2. Always 1 is for broadcast, 1 is for network. We cannot use those. So this will give me basically 2 hosts, all right, which I can use. So I can use for on this interface, I can assign 152.60.100.1, and then on the LA side, I can assign 152.60.100.2, and the mask on this will be /30. So basically, the new subnet for this IP address is 152.60.100.0/30. You should be able to do it in your head. /30 will give me only 2 usable IP addresses. Similarly, if you get a piece of paper and start practicing on it and manipulate the number of ones and zeros, you should be able to come up IP subnetting, how you can get more number of hosts, how you can get more number of networks, and so forth. So all I did was that I took this class B/16. If you look in here, traditional class B has 2 raised to power 16 minus 2 number of hosts. Now with the manipulation I've done, I have 2 raised to power minus 2 minus 2, which is 2 hosts. And similarly, we've increased the number of networks also. Real quick, so the number of networks is going to be, how many ones we have? 8, 16, 24, and then we have stolen some from the last octet. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I have 30 ones. Now, as you know, in class B, first 2 are fixed. First 2 bits are fixed. We cannot use them. So the number of networks is going to be 2 raised to power 28. Let me just make sure. 16, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yeah, so 30 minus 2 fixed bits, so it's 228. So that is all I have. Thank you very much for watching. Please do provide feedback. Have a nice day.